Are you excited to buy an ergonomic keyboard to improve your productivity at the office? Then, keep checking out the following reviews of the best ergonomic keyboards for Mac. Number 1. Satechi Compact Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard. If you want to buy a highly responsive ergonomic keyboard for Mac, the Satechi Compact Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard won't disappoint you. The keyboard offers a minimalistic design with a small footprint and wireless Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity to reduce cable clutter. Inspired by the Apple keyboard, the Satechi Compact Keyboard offers an improved ergonomic design, sturdy and lightweight aluminium. Moreover, the tapered keyboard design offers raised upper keys for easy access. In addition, the included thick rubber feet in the package allow you to increase the height of the function row to offer optimal elevation to support hands' natural typing posture. One of the most significant advantages of buying the Satechi Compact Keyboard is connecting up to 3 devices simultaneously. You need to press and hold any of the 3 Bluetooth buttons to activate the pairing mode and switch between the devices using the same buttons. Hence, you no longer need to buy 3 individual keyboards to connect to Mac computers. Instead, you need a single Satechi Compact Keyboard to multitask. The backlighting allows you to type during work nights. In addition, courtesy of the available 10 brightness levels, you can customize the lighting accordingly. Number 2. iClever BK10 Bluetooth Keyboard. The iClever BK10 Bluetooth Keyboard is an affordable and sturdy keyboard for Mac, featuring Bluetooth 5.1 technology and multi-device connectivity. Moreover, the long-lasting rechargeable battery lasts for up to 90 hours, which is excellent. Luckily, the power-saving function activates the keyboard's sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity. You can use the USB charging cable to charge the keyboard in around 30 minutes. The box includes a Bluetooth keyboard, key sheet protector, USB charging cable, and a user manual. The keyboard features stainless steel and ABS build quality to ensure longevity. Furthermore, the included keyboard feet offer the desired slope to prevent wrist strains after prolonged typing. Another great news is that the matte finished key set is spill resistant, so you don't have to worry about coffee or tea accidents. In addition, the low-profile keys are highly responsive and offer optimal key travel. Moreover, the keys are designed to withstand around 3 million presses, which is excellent. The scissor switch keys reduce the tip noise and maximize the responsiveness to elevate the overall typing experience. The LEDs present on the top right corner of the keyboard indicate charging, caps lock, Bluetooth channels, and power switch. Number 3. KINESIS Freestyle 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. Unlike Mac's previously reviewed ergonomic keyboards, the KINESIS Freestyle 2 Ergonomic Keyboard offers an adjustable split design to separate the key modules to ensure natural hand and wrist positioning. Not only that, but you can boost productivity at work with adjustable split, and tenting to minimize static muscle strain. For example, you can keep your wrists straight by splitting the critical modules up to 9 inches. Moreover, the adjustable tenting offers an optimal keyboard elevation from the thumb sides at 5, 10, or 15 degrees to minimize the pressure from the forearm muscles. You can achieve a maximum height of 3 inches at 15 degrees of tenting. Luckily, the KINESIS Freestyle 2 keyboard has a 0-degree slope and cushioned palm support to prevent wrist extension. Another advantage of selecting this versatile keyboard is the presence of custom membrane key switches that require 25% less activation force. Moreover, the keys are ultra-responsive to enhance typing experience. Number 4. Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. The Logitech ERGO K860 Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard is one of the best ergonomic keyboards for Mac, featuring a curved and split design to support a natural typing position. Moreover, the pillowed wrist rest offers 54% more wrist support. Not only that, but the memory foam layer reduced wrist bending by 25% less than a standard keyboard which doesn't include a palm rest. Unlike the previously discussed keyboard, the Logitech ERGO K860 doesn't split into 2 pieces. Instead, it's a single-piece keyboard with an evident triangular gap between the key sets used by left and right hands. Moreover, The center of the keyboard has an upward curve to minimize the wrist twisting while typing on a flat keyboard. The Logitech ERGO K860 keyboard includes all the 109 standard square keys featuring the Logitech Perfect Stroke switches. Another great news is that the keys adjacent to the central gap have been extended to varied lengths for easy navigation. Whether you type while sitting or standing, you can tilt the legs from 0 to -4 and -7 degrees. The Logitech ERGO K860 keyboard is a wireless keyboard that requires 2 disposable AAA batteries. Alternatively, you can also connect the keyboard with a USB receiver. The customization features allow you to remap the function keys, assign functionalities for different apps, and program keystroke shortcuts. Number 5. Satechi Aluminium Bluetooth Keyboard. The Satechi Aluminium Bluetooth Keyboard is a versatile ergonomic keyboard for Mac, featuring a full numeric keyboard and ultra-responsive scissor switch keys. As the name suggests, the keyboard is made of aluminium instead of plastic to keep it sturdy and lightweight. The box includes a keyboard, a 1-meter USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and a user manual. You can use the cable to recharge the built-in battery while the user manual guides you through pairing the keyboard with a Mac laptop or computer. Once charged, the battery can last up to 80 hours. The good news is you connect the keyboard to 3 simultaneous devices via Bluetooth to multitask on different computers. Moreover, you can use the Bluetooth keys to switch between the connected devices. The Satechi Aluminium keyboard includes all the shortcut keys for Mac devices, such as search, screenshot, copy, paste, and switch apps. Number 6. Logitech MX Keys Illuminated Wireless Keyboard. If you want to buy an affordable ergonomic keyboard with a minimalistic design, the Logitech MX Keys Advanced Wireless Illuminated Keyboard is a perfect choice. It's because the keyboard features spherically dished keys instead of flat keys to offer a satisfying typing experience. The Logitech MX Keys keyboard is a low-profile keyboard with a height of 0.8 inches. Moreover, it's a full-size keyboard with 108 MX keys to ensure a clean and elegant appearance. In addition, the membrane keys offer a vertical distance of 1.8 mm to improve your typing efficiency. Another good news is that you can connect the keyboard to a Mac computer wirelessly via Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz USB receiver. Additionally, you can pair the keyboard with 3 devices simultaneously and switch between them using the buttons available on the keyboard. Instead of replacing batteries, the Logitech MX Keys keyboard comes with a rechargeable battery. So, for instance, you can use the keyboard for 10 days or even 5 months without backlighting on a single charge. Number 7. Perixx Keyboard 612 Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard. Perixx is a German-based company known for designing advanced computer peripherals to boost productivity in the office. Thanks to the integrated palm rest support, you can type continuously for hours without any forearm tension or median nerve pressure. Unfortunately, the wrist rest doesn't come with foam padding. Nonetheless, it offers the desired support to ensure a natural position for your hands and arms. The keys available on the Perixx Keyboard 612 are relatively more significant to prevent mistyping. Moreover, the longer travel distance coupled with tactile response elevates your typing experience. We know that long distance requires a lower activation force for a comfortable typing experience. It's entirely up to you to use the wireless Bluetooth connectivity or the USB cable to connect the keyboard to the Mac computer or laptop. Not only that, but you can also use either the 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity or the Bluetooth 4.0 connection. You'll find a preference button on the backside to switch between the 2 wireless modes. The box includes a 2.4 GHz nano receiver, which you can store in the compartment available on the keyboard's bottom. The 4 additional switchable Mac keys allow you to switch between Windows and Mac layouts. Number 8. Macally Mac-Wired Keyboard. The Macally Mac-Wired Keyboard with wrist rest is one of the best ergonomic keyboards for Mac. featuring a split key design and a wrist rest. Unlike the previously discussed keyboards, it's a wired keyboard with 110 keys and 21 OS X shortcut keys. Macally is known for designing affordable and premium quality computer peripherals and other accessories for its global customers. The padded wrist support ensures less strain on the wrists, while the split design facilitates the natural arm position while typing. A split keyboard design divides the keyboard into two zones between G and H keys at an inclined angle with a triangular gap between the two key sets. Furthermore, the keys are positioned at an angle to align your hands and wrist posture. The Macally Mac-wired keyboard ensures plug-and-play operation with macOS X OS with the USB-A port. Lucky for you, the box includes a 5-foot USB-A cable, so you don't have to buy one separately.